What's up guys, it's your girl Stephanie Burnett back again with another video, and today I'm gonna basically be styling my hair. Okay, I think I want to try the half up half down style. I literally just finished like coating my hair. I used like coconut oil. I used coconut oil and tea tree oil on my hair, and then I used some conditioner to co-wash my hair. I didn't use no shampoo. I didn't wash it because it's not really that dirty, but this is my hair like freshly out the shower, freshly washed. Now the products that I am going to use is my leave-in today. I'm using this leave-in, and I'm using this this is defining cream, so I like that because it really defines my curls. So I'm just going to section off my hair real quick. I don't think the part has to really be that straight. And I'm also using my detangling comb, detangling brush. Alright, so now we're gonna work on this part. This is the part that is going to go in the bun. And I'm also trying to do curling mousse today. So we're gonna start off with the leave-in conditioner. I'm not doing small sections. I'm just putting it through my hair. My hair is very, very detangled. I basically detangled it before I put the coconut oil in it and the tea tree oil, and then I also used the conditioner earlier. And usually, like, if I have products still left from one section, I just kind of gather it over and bring it over to the next section. Take a little bit more leave-in, like that much. Now I don't need too much, just the front section. I really don't need my detangling brush, but I like to use it for definition. That's just from my leave-in. This is just one product. Now I'm finna use my curl defining cream. This is gold. I love, 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 love. This is one of my favorite creams right now. But it really defines my hair, like very detailed. It's already defined, but it's just gonna define it a little bit more. The video girl, look at it. All right, so that's one section. Now I'm gonna go to this side and do this section. And my hair is basically down. It's not like drenched wet, but it is down. Really don't need my defining brush. As you can see, it's going through very smoothly. I kind of be looking forward to wash days now. I'm fairly new in my curly hair journey. Like, I just kind of like started taking my hair a lot more seriously. I'm the type of person that would just literally throw my hair in a bun and keep it pushing. So you take this for definition. My part is not straight, but y'all let me make it, bro. Y'all let me make it. Like I said, I'm trying a new style. Trying something new. I done combed it out. Now, we'll use some of the mousse. 4 good pumps. So I put mousse all over my hair, and we're gonna let it dry for at least about maybe 5 minutes. I be just so amazed in my hair sometimes. Like the old me back in 2015, I kid you not, I feel like it was just impossible to get my hair this curly. And the key to the right type of curls, or the curls that you love or absolutely want, now that I'm older, I realize that it's all in the products. Right, so I got the rubber bands, and I'm gonna use a little bit of the Eco Styling Gel to pull my hair back. And secure it. Split it in 2. So I'm gonna put some leave-in. Now we got a defining cream. I'm still gonna back door and use the defining brush. Four pumps of mousse. One side, now we do the other side. But look at the definition. with products and without products. It's a difference. So I'm finna go in with the leave-in. And I could have did it in sections, guys, but I'm trying to save a little time, that's all. Your hairstyle can be, doing your hair, it can be very tedious if you make it tedious, depending on the hairstyles. Defining cream. Four scoops of mousse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply it all over. Okay, so I'm finished with the back. You just let it add right now. And I'm gonna finish up my top. This is what I use on my edges now. That's what I've been using lately. Okay, yeah, so this is the style, and my hair's still damped, but let me know what y'all think. Do y'all feel like I exceeded the style? Do y'all feel like, I feel like it could be a little bit more work, honestly, but how do y'all feel? Do y'all feel like you came out okay? Yay, nay? You know what I'm saying? And this is me barefaced. I didn't put on no makeup. I didn't put on no lashes. I didn't do my eyebrow. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this style. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching.